we'll now discuss about the fundamental laws of mechanics. These include the 3 laws of Newton, gravitational law, principle of transmissibility of forces, and parallelogram law. Let's see each of them in detail. So the first one is Newton's first law. It states that every body continues to be in its state of rest or of uniform motion in a straight line unless it is compelled by an external force to change that state. The second law states that force is directly proportional to the rate of change of velocity. That is, F is directly proportional to A, which is F is equal to ma, where m is the mass of the particle. And the third law states that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. An example for this is rocket propulsion. The next one is gravitational law. So every body in the universe is attracted towards each other with a force which is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. That is, F is directly proportional to mm divided by r square. That is, F is equal to gmm by r square, where g is known as the universal gravitational constant.